Look how oily. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh shit! Oh shit! Wait. First of all, I want to say a massive thank you to the 39,000 billion trillion subscribers that subscribe to my channel. Nah, I'm joking. I want to say thank you, a genuine thank you, to the 39 legends that are subscribed to my channel. It's a small start, eh? You need to walk before you run. So I want to thank you. Honest to God, your support means the world. And it gives me motivation to keep going. I just do YouTube because it's something to think about, to get creative, to express your thoughts to the world. If you like it, that's good. Thumbs up. If you don't like it, get the fuck. Remember, if you like it, please subscribe here or here or here or here. Thumbs up, and just let me know in the comments what you want to see in the next video. I have something planned, right? But it's good to have, you know, interaction, because human interaction is a bit lost in our days. Just keep it real. And if you subscribe because you liked it, then like the video. See what I did there? I'm good. Hey, I'm good. Let's go service the old lady. Cheers. So we're going for the NGK Iridium spark plugs, because in the future I'm planning to stage 1 the car. So this is what is recommended. They come as a packet of 4, and I believe they don't need gapping. The recommended is 0.028 mils. So I think they are 0.028. So this is the serial number. If you can zoom in, yeah, there. So you need to undo the MAF sensor and undo those clips. Be careful, because those clips can just fall down the engine, and then they're going into the unknown. So yeah, be careful of that. Yeah, and them 2 clips. Yes, and this one. You need to undo this bit with them 2 screws. It has 2 screws, but mine is broken, so it's already done basically. And I'm planning to get the ram air induction kit. Normally this sits here. Off to a bad start. Yeah, we have quite the oil in there. I don't know if he spilled the oil, because I can see from here, you know, also we're missing an oil cap. I don't know if he spilled the oil, which I think that's what happened, but I'm a bit skeptical about this one here. Yeah, I can see the oil on the outside, and also it was NGK R. It's a bit sad. It's a good one as well. I mean, on the outside they have quite a lot of oil, but not on the inside, so let's see. That's the oily one. Oh no! Look how oily it is. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Let's hope this is gonna be in a good state. Right. Don't laugh. Yeah. Let's hope. One can only hope. I'll show you a little trick that I'm doing. So when you insert the spark plug, don't go straight forward to tighten it. Go a bit backwards and you will feel a jump. So when you're going backwards, the turns are obviously going backwards. So when you feel the jump, wait, let me take it out. When you go backwards, right, the turns will jump on where they're supposed to sit, if that makes sense. So yeah, when you put your spark plugs in, just go a bit backwards, and after that you are all set. The turns have set on the turns on the base. They have set, so you can tighten it correctly. That's without destroying the turns, you know. So yeah, when you put it in, just go a bit backwards until you feel a little jump there, and then you can tighten it. Obviously, tighten to spec. Just so you can hear the turn, the jump. I'll put you here. I don't know if that's a good position, but yeah. Listen. You heard it, and then I'm going backwards. That's it, and then you tighten it. Usually for me, it's hand tight the spark plug, and then half a turn, and if that. Make sure you have your torque wrench so you can tighten it into spec. So let's go. Let's clean them as well. I was supposed to have bolts here, but yeah, the state of the car is awful. Let's see if it starts. Success. Alright, we successfully changed the spark plugs. Let's put the engine cover on, because the engine light will come up. Alright, let's do that now. Always be safe. So remember, always be safe, guys. Right, let's go under. I'm ready, I have my setup. I have my tools ready. And my bucket. Right, let's go under. Right. The underbody is actually really good. Can't see any leaks apart from this small leak here. It's, I don't know, it goes all the way up there. I can't see. We need to investigate that because I don't know what is. Everything else seems really good. Actually, the underbody is sound, no rust apart from the exhaust. My future plans are to replace the exhaust, but no, everything, the arms and the ball joints are in really good shape. Yeah, so no oil leaks, especially from the gearbox. No oil leaks or anything, so we are off to a good start. Let's change the oil. Here's the oil plug. Let's unplug it and change the oil. What do you think? Is this bucket gonna be enough? Let's see. And let's see what we're gonna find. Any metal shards or anything. Let's go. I'm excited. Yeah, the oil is black, as expected. We'll see, let it drain, and we'll come back. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Wait. Okay. That's not an OEM bolt right here. So, in order to access the oil filter, we need to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws from the under tray, and the oil filter is here on the front. It's over here. It's over there. That's the oil filter. Under tray off. So yeah, as you can see, it's not the worst. I mean, okay, I don't see any damage, and the drive shaft is okay. The differential and the transmission box, they seem okay. No signs of oil. We have some oil here. I don't really know what that pipe is. I think it goes to the intercooler, so we'll clean it and we'll monitor it. Yeah, but apart from that, it's relatively clean. It's not that bad actually. Okay, so let's remove the oil filter. It's gonna make a mess, so be prepared. First of all, we need to plug the new plug that we got for the oil pan. It's gonna be messy. It is a 32. Fuck, it's not a 32. Oh, I hate my life. I went and I bought a socket because I didn't have a 36. Right, let's do now. Let's see. Yep. I knew this was gonna happen, you know. Let's check the filter. Okay. No savings, no nothing. Let's see in the sun. That's a really good sign. That's a really good sign. That's good, right? That's good. It doesn't have a sealant. You know, the plastic rubber. I mean, whoever had this car, oh, it's not gonna be the same. So apparently that filter fits. So is that. So as you saw, they're totally different. This is shorter, the other one is longer. So, but it fits. And I need to install the sealant as well. To spec. Torque to spec. Perfect. I was meant to go for a haircut today, but it was too crowded. And I'm like, I can't wait. I need to change the oils. So careful every time you tighten this nut, right? Careful, don't span it. There. Snuggle. Go. The oil cap is missing, which that was a bad sign. When I bought the car, that was a bad sign, because I thought, fuck, you haven't changed the oil for like so long. But yeah, the car had oil in, so I know it's not Castrol. It does look like it though, you know, the packaging. Well, that's Total. Yeah, now it's called Total Energies. I know that it's a French brand. You know what? It's 530. It's fully synthetic. It's a good oil, right? Yeah, I know Audi suggests Castrol 530, but this will do. And obviously, I intend to change the oil every 7,000 miles, something like that. I'm not gonna keep driving it without changing the oil regularly. So yeah. So if you butt hurt. Also, I have already ordered the oil cap. I'm waiting for it to arrive, but now the way to undo it is with a screwdriver. So this engine takes 5.7 liters of oil. Can I do it? I'll do it. Yeah, 50 pounds bet. Oh fuck, that was an epic fail. I'm tired. Right, 50 pounds bet. If I don't spill any. Perfect. Let me run the engine. I think we're ready. So let's have a cold start.